your question is reduce the equation into normal form. Find their perpendicular distance from origin and angle between perpendicular and x-axis. What they have given? X minus root 3y plus 8, that is equal to 0. Now, what is our standard form of linear equation? That is your ax plus by plus c, that gives you 0. This is your standard form. What is your normal form? He has told normal form. That means we will write like this: ax plus by, that is equal to c now. That means if we write the c at the right side, it is your normal form. So same here we will do. Now we will get x minus root 3y, that is equal to minus 8. Now what we will do now? Find their perpendicular distance. So we have our formula. What is that? Between the angles. Between, they have told you na, to find out the perpendicular distance, origin and the angle. That is your x cos omega plus y sin omega, that is equal to the p. Now p is your distance. This is your distance now. Distance. And omega is your angle. Now we will write this equation like this. We can see that p is minus 8 if you compare this, but we know that our distance should not be in minus. What we will do? We will change the sign of this. Now our equation comes as minus x plus root 3y, that is equal to 8. Now it is plus distance. Now what we will do? We know that what is our cos omega? Cos omega is equal to a by root over a square plus b square. A square plus b square. Now compare this. What is your a now? Here minus 1. So now we can say a is equal to minus 1. B is root 3. B is equal to root 3. Now we will substitute here. We will get what? Minus 1 by root over minus 1 square is 1 plus root 3 square is 3. That is equal to minus 1 by 2. This is your cos omega. Now we will go for a sin omega. Sin omega. Sin omega is b upon root over a square plus b square. What is our b? B is root 3. We will write that root 3 by, now a square plus b square is 2 only. We will write here 2. So root 3 by 2 is your sin omega. Now substitute p. What is your p now? P is equal to c by root over a square plus b square. That is equal to, c is what? 8. We will write 8 by 2. That is equal to 4. Now substitute all these values here. What we will get in this? We will get x cos omega is minus 1 by 2. That means it will come as minus 1 by 2x. Next is your y sin omega. Sin omega is your root 3 by 2. So now we will get plus root 3 by 2 y. That is equal to P is your 4. 4. Now we will see, they have told you this is your equation by this. Now we have to find out the angle. That means that is your omega. It should be same. Now cos omega. In cos, where 1 by 2 will come? It will come at 60 degree. It will come as 60 degree. And cos, if you go for a clock, cos clock, it will come like this. Here it is 1, here it is 0, here it is -1. And here again it is 0. Now, if we told it is a 60 degree, so 60 degree is here, but they have told you minus. That means in here we get positive here, and the negative is third and the fourth quadrant. So that means that angle should be here only. So what we will do? We will just write 1 by 2 is your, we will write x. Now cos, in this 180 minus theta. That means 180 minus 60 degree. 180 degree minus 60 degree. Plus, now root 3 by 2 y. That means root 3 by 2, where it comes in sine, it comes at 60 degree. So we will write here sine 60 degree, that is your y, is equal to 4. Now what happened? You can see here x cos 120 degree plus sine 60 degree, y is equal to 4. Now I have already told this angle should be equal. Here it is 60, here is 120. Now if you draw your sine clock, this is your sine clock. So sine clock is plus here, minus here, minus here. Now we got 60 degree here. So what is the other point where we will get the positive? That is your third quadrant. That means we can write like this, 180 minus 60. That is also your positive only. So now we can write our answer as x cos 120 degree plus sine 180 minus 60 degree. That y is equal to 4. This is equal to, we can say now, x cos 120 degree plus y sin 120 degree, that is equal to 4. Now the distance is 4, angles are 120 degree. Simple. We can say angle is 120 degree and the distance is